Hello, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get slate and marble. So first of all, to get slate and marble, you need to go to Slime Island. Well, that's not the actual place to get slate and marble. The actual place to get slate and marble is Buffalo Island. And you guys may be wondering what slate and marble is. Well, slate and marble are another materials to craft stairs. It's just basically another block, like stone, grass. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go into Buffalo Island. It does require combat level 7, and I do have combat level 43. So, Buffalo Island is really big, and as you see this black block, if we mine it, we're gonna get, slate. And where to actually get lots and lots of slate is go down here. And when we go down here, we can go down even more. And then take this, and then we can mine some more slate. More slate. Well, I prefer slate. Looks very nice. It's a nice black colored and yeah, it's very easy to find. Marble's a hard one to actually find. Also, it takes a bit more time to spawn marble than slate. So, as you guys now know where to get slate, now I'll show you how to get marble. Well, you see that white block there? That's basically where we need to go. I'm taking a risky path. I observe here. So here we are. I mine this and marble. I just got 4 marble here now. So let's go mine some more marble. Yes. And that pretty much is the video. I'll just be talking to you guys a bit more about this. So it's located in Buffalo Island. You need combat level 7. Combat levels are levels that you can get by killing mobs, slimes, bufflickers, scorpions, wizard lizards, and bosses too. Bosses give you a bit more combat level. Oh, and as I told you, it takes a bit more time to spawn marble. You see, there's no marble, so it will take time to spawn. Just observe. See, it takes quite a long time to spawn marble. Anyways, so that's the video. Bye.